afternoon, everyone. My name is Sarah, and I'm really excited today to be talking to you guys about a system of teaching kids to add, which I personally love. It's something I use in my work every day. And if you have any questions, I look forward to answering them at the end of the presentation. So I'm sure that many of you learn to add in a multitude of ways. Some common ways to learn how to add are obviously using your fingers. Everyone knows that method. This picture here shows a number line, which is another common way to teach kids how to add. Down here, we have what you can call manipulatives or counters. It's just, this picture shows some bears and some tokens. Again, it's just things that kids can touch and see to help them to add. And this last picture over here is a 10 frame where, again, kids can put tokens on. It helps them to learn their numbers, helps them to add. Very simple, very easy. Today, however, I am going to show you how to teach kids to add using touch math. And up here I just have some pictures of some touch math number cards. So I'm sure you're wondering, what is touch math? Well, touch math is a hands-on math program. It's something that the kids can see. Obviously it has touch in the name, so it's something that kids touch, so it makes it easy for them to learn. The touch math program covers numbers, number sense, adding, subtracting, and money. Like I said, it's easy to learn. I work in a special education classroom, so a lot of my kids have learning disabilities, and this concept is very easy for them to grasp, much easier than more traditional ways of adding. As I said, I work in a special education class, but it can also be used in gen ed classrooms. So what you're going to need, if you don't have a whole touch math kit, all you need are some touch math number cards, which there are pictures up here or like this. So numbers 1 through 5 are pretty self-explanatory. Here's number 1. There's one touch point. 2 touch points. 3, 4, 5. So those all have the same exact number of dots as the numbers. Pretty simple. 6 through 9 get a little more tricky, but not too bad. So for example, here is number 6. Number 6 has 2 different circles. So the child will touch each circle once. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same thing goes for 7. Anytime you see 2 circles, you're going to touch the number twice. If you see 1 circle, you touch it once. So some examples of how you can use this to teach the kids how to add. Say you have the problem 6 plus 3. The child could then grab the number 6 card and the number 3 card. So they would simply go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They get their answer. Another example, 9 plus 4. So I'm going to start with 9. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Very simple. Now I'm sure some of you are thinking, well, if it only goes up to 9, what if your problem starts with a number other than 1 through 9? That is also very simple. So in this example, the problem is 10 plus 5. The child would simply say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Another example, 12 plus 8. So I'm going to say 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very simple, very quick to teach, very easy to learn. So again, as I stated earlier, there are many different methods to teach kids how to add, but I hope after this presentation you see how simple it is and how fun it is to use touch math. Thank you again for giving me this time, and if you have any questions, I would be happy to answer them now.